For this video, we're going to be replacing the brake pad on a Mantis 10, and for this one, we're going to be doing it on a rear motor side, but the same installation steps apply for the front. First, grab a 5mm Allen key. Remove the top two screws, holding down the brake caliper. Once those are removed, go ahead and flip it over. Once you flip it over, you can use your hand to give it a slight push, or to make it even easier, just remove the tension wire. And that way, grab any plier and simply remove the first brake pad. There's a small tab that's magnetically attaching each side of the brake pad, so you simply have to pull it out just like that. So that's the first brake pad. Yeah, give it a push for the other one, and then here is the second brake pad. And to install it, simply reverse the process and make sure that the metallic side goes against the brake caliper drums. So insert it, and you should be able to hear a click, and that is magnetic attachment. And same thing for the other side. Okay. Now that the brake pads are attached, go ahead and give it a slight push just like that. Not so much, because once this is installed into place, it's very difficult to adjust. You might need a plier by pulling on this wire while screwing this down. So with enough practice, you'll understand how much slack you'd have to give it that proper distance. And this can be adjusted after the installation. The idea is to put it into a ballpark. Once that's done, go ahead and install the brake caliper screws to mount it to the bracket. Do not tighten it all the way. Tighten it just enough so that the screws are in place, but loose. And the reason is you have to press on the rear brake, just like that, to make sure the brake pads are centered. And while holding the brake, go ahead and tighten the caliper screws to the bracket and release the brake lever. And this allows for centering for the brake pad for the brake disc. And as mentioned, to adjust the brake linkage tension to the proper tension, go ahead and pull on this. Actually, yeah, pull on this like this. Pull on the brake caliper like this. Give it some initial tension. Lock it down. And once that's locked down, this should give it a proper tension for the brake. Just like that. And that's the end of the brake pad replacement on Mantis 10.